how to get a refund on Uber Eats. This is going to be the only way. You need to go and open up the Uber Eats app. Once you open up the app, then you will need to go and click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So it's going to be this option that I've highlighted right here. Okay, so from here you have two options. You can either go directly into the Orders tab and then Past Orders, or you can go and select Help. Once you click on Help, you will need to choose Help with an order, and there make sure your order was submitted 48 hours or prior. So it needs to be a new order. You can't get a refund for an order which is more than 2 days old. And you will need to clearly describe if items were missing, wrong, or damaged. You will click on the specific order, then select Request Refund and explain why you actually want that refund. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.